Windows 11's updated Start menu has been launching slowly over the past few updates. Microsoft has been gradually releasing it to users. Recent reports indicate that after installing the latest Patch Tuesday update for Windows 11 versions 25 and 24H2, KB5074109, which I covered in a previous video, more computers are beginning to receive the new Start menu. This is just a quick update to keep you informed. Unfortunately, I haven't received the new Start menu yet. It's not available for me. According to an article by Windows Latest, link in the description, when they asked Microsoft when the rollout would be finished, Microsoft didn't provide a specific answer. They only said they're releasing changes gradually based on customer feedback. What's interesting is that the new Start menu and the new battery icon began rolling out together. I've already received the battery icon update, though I turned off the percentage display since this laptop stays plugged in. So it's odd that I got the battery indicator but not the Start menu. Here's a quick overview of what the new Start menu offers. The Start menu is now divided into 3 parts: pinned apps, recommended items, and all apps, which are now combined in one menu instead of being separate like before. The pinned section displays 2 rows of apps initially, with each row holding up to 8 app icons. The recommended section shows your recently used files and apps. The All Apps section lets you switch between Category View, Grid View, and List View. Let me know in the comments below, have you received the new Start menu? Or like me, is it still unavailable in your area? I'm curious to see how widespread this rollout is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful. See you in the next one.